Get a lot from a little with this compact food processor from Kenwood. It does a vast amount without taking up too much space on your worktop. Enjoy a wide range of use with chopping, slicing, grating, mixing and whisking functions at your disposal. You receive an ultra-versatile performance from a compact appliance. The 2.1 litre bowl size offers the option of large portions with its generous shape, so you can easily prepare meals for the family or just as easily for one. With 2 speed settings and a pulse function to choose from, you have more control over how you create your recipes, making it easier than ever to achieve perfect results. Whether you're whipping up dips and sauces, starting your day off with a smoothie, or making your favourite cake, this Kenwood food processor always delivers your desired results.